Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to order food using Lyft. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Lyft's application on my phone and this is how it will look like once you open the app. So right here, you're gonna find update location services. Lyft needs your exact location to find nearby rides. You can either choose turn on precise location or you can choose enter a pickup location. So go ahead and click on enter a pickup location. And then right here, you're going to find start and destination. So for example, I'm going to choose Los Angeles as a pickup location. Then you can choose from the list right here. For example, I'm going to choose this one. And in the destination, I'm going to choose, for example, this one. And then right here, you can click on set destination. After that, you're going to find these choices right here. You can either choose the left option that has 4 passengers, and you can choose pick up in 1 minute or in 2 minutes. You can also choose Lyft XL that has 6 car seats. There's also the economic choice. You can wait and save. There's also extra comfort. And lastly, the luxurious options like Lux Black that has 4 car seats and Lux Black XL. So you select the choice that you want, click on OK, and then from here you can click on Next. And then all you need to do, guys, is click on Confirm Request and wait for the rider to come to you. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.